my name is Menka Rastrodawat. My roll number is 20AZ10023 and I am from section 14. For my DIY assignment today, I am deassembling and assembling this electric racket and I will tell you how it works. So let's start the deassembling. First we remove these nut bolts and then I will tell you the process how it works. Here we remove all the nut bolts and let's see the parts of this electric racket. Here we can see there is a battery of 5 volt. This is the motherboard. So in this we can see a different parts. This is the capacitor. These are the filter capacitors. These are diodes. These black are diodes. This is another capacitor and you can see these are the resistors. Here this is the transformer and this is the transistor, and here we can see this is the micro button and this is the button. Okay, these are the important parts, and we can see here it is the element which we use to charge this electric racket. We can see there are 3 layers of net in this racket. 2 are the outer layers and one is the inner layer. So let's start about its process. Here we can see this battery. So first of all, when we give power supply to this, when we plug this in the electric plug, the power supply is given to this, and when these 2 wires are connected like this, so when we give power supply through the red wire, the current passes through the capacitor, this capacitor, and the bridge wave rectifier diodes of the filter capacitor. These are the bridge wave rectifiers, so that the low frequency voltage converts into the high frequency voltage and got filtered. After this, filter voltage is given to the battery. The filter voltage is given to this battery so that it can charge. So this circuit is all about the charging of this battery. After this we will talk about the process. When we press this mini button, first of all we have to on this button, and then we press this mini button, this LED glows. So to kill the mosquito, the current flows from the battery to the transistor. This is the transistor, and the current flow from this battery to this transistor through the red wire. Here we can see the connection. The red wire is connected there so that the current flows through the transistor. The frequency of DC supply will be more high. The work of this transistor is to increase the frequency. Then the voltage is given to the flyback transformer. The voltage transferred to this flyback transformer so that it becomes 3000 volt. So for this high voltage there are 2 filter capacitors which filters the high frequency. In this process the voltage is given to the 3 layer sheets. Here we can see the connections. The 2 outermost sheets are connected by this yellow wire to the negative terminal of this capacitor, and the inner sheet is connected by this red wire to the positive terminal of this capacitor. So to kill the mosquito, the voltage is of these sheets are 3000 volt. So let's try how it works. First we on this button, then we press this micro button. This LED glows, means this will work. So here we can see the sparks are here. Talked about all the process of this electric racket. Now we assemble these parts. Here we completed all the assembling and deassembling. Now we will check that it works or not. First we on this button. So here we can see it sparks. So we have completed our work. So thank you.